Dr. Pepper. Wait, anything. Anything. To answer that question, we made a short film called Heavy Wind. Anyways, here's how we made it. I'm gonna show you. I'm right here now, so. Here's the can I just dropped. So, anyways, I'll show you a clip. And you can go watch my video right now. I'll show you a clip. I'll show you a clip. No thank. This heavy wind video is so windy. I showed you the clip that I use this bottle. The bottle in the bottom. Let me just show you. I don't know if you saw it peep, but this cherry Coke can is going bye-byes. I'll stay tuned for what's the last part I'll show you. Alright, this is the last part. Yep, I jump off, and how do I shut it off? I get up from my area. People think I got blown, but I really... Well, like I said, that's the end, and so I'll show you more later. This Coke can is going bye-bye. Let me show it's moving. There it goes, people. Why is it not exploding? Come on, Coke can. Come on, explode. Anyways, since it'll explode, we'll worry about that later. This is how I edit my video. And, alright, so, come on. Hey, hold on. And this is, and this is me in anger, touching all the cans. How did this happen? Actually, it didn't really. I used this. The box that I used. See if it'll explode again. Come on, can't explode. This can is so strong that explode. Oh, it's getting close. Don't worry about that later. And this is me getting angry. Let's show you. Wait, pause. Just look how angry I am. Do you see that? I mean, he isn't even close. And this me getting angry is actually, and the difficultest scene, and probably how long it took. How long did it take? It actually took me like, I say 34 minutes. Yep, it took like 34. And this is me going outside. And because all the cans turn into, let's try to explode one more time. Please don't explode. Come on, explode. This is cans. This is canned junk. So, since we couldn't get the can to explode, this is me in my videos. Oops, sorry, tapped it. Okay, this is me. Video. Shoot. I don't know what these are, but these are all my videos. This is actually a picture of me that I was too. Oh wait, people, I gotta go, but because I'm gonna be playing with my OCs, and also you have to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, I might make a part 2 one day. Yeah. I did not do a crazy video today. So I do gotta go, people. Bye!